Hello everyone, what's up guys? Today I'm going to do a length check. I'm going to check the length of my hair, and this will serve as a diary so I know where I start with the length of my hair for 2021, the beginning of 2021, and then and I can see that the how much length I retain at the end of 2021. So thank you for your time and enjoy. You could see where the hair is right now. This is the side. Alright, let's see the back. Fuck around and getting all this on me, baby. Loving all you got, but I'm hesitating. I be trying damn so hard, but you still my baby. It is a little bit past my bra strap. Yes, now we're gonna bring the measurements. Let's see. I'm in trying to pay, solving all like hey, going around like skate, you ain't know nothing like shade. I've been so able to say, I'm just trying to be me. It's a winter, it been snowing like the season, it's the winter, baby please give me no reason, it's the winter, my body getting freezing, it's the winter. It is about it is kind of hard to measure your own hair. Okay, let's try again. Let's see if it's gonna work. All right. It is about 17 inches. It's a little bit over, but you know I'm gonna cut the tip, so we're gonna say 17. It's the same thing also. The extra tip I'm gonna cut that piece off because we gotta trim the hair too. For those who don't use inches. All right, let's do the side. Measuring my own hair is not something I normally do, so it's not easy, especially with a hair that just wanna stay shrink. All right, 16 inches. $16 inches also. Both sides are the same length. about 17 inches. The extra tip will be cut off because I've got to lightly trim my hair. Fourteen, one side of the back is longer than the other side. I retain about 2 inches of hair within 6 months. That will equal to 4 inches within a year. So we'll see if I will gain 4 inches at the end of this year. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe for the next video. And we'll measure just the top, the crown, we'll see. But on average, my hair is anywhere from 15 to 17 inches.
Yeah, it's a winter. It been snowing like the season. It's the winter. Baby, please give me no reason. It's the winter. My body getting freezing. It's the winter. Yeah. It's the winter. It been snowing like the season. It's the winter.